what is the area of this pentagon? There's the pentagon. Ooh, we've got all these sort of algebraic terms, all with the letters. And the letters are the same as the A, B, C, D, E here, which means it's highly likely to go wrong. But we don't mind. This is a difficult question. So there's no choice but to have fun with it. At the very least, think, not a clue, and just guess. Choose your favourite letter, guess and go. You can do that in 3 seconds. Though it might take longer to decide that you really, or give it a bit more than 3 seconds to guess. But when it's question 48 out of 50, you know it's really hard. Don't waste time that you could be usefully checking on those questions where you might have made silly mistakes. And but this is a fun one, so we'll treat it as a gift from the examiner to us to give us a good time. Why not? So, how do we find the area of a triangle? Good. Right, so we take the base, that's the bottom, and it's half times the base times the height. And that's the perpendicular height at 90 degrees. So we take this, let's get our big pointy dot, we take this line and we multiply it by this one, and then we halve it. Now, if the numbers help, you can halve one of them. You can't halve both of them, but you can halve one of them. Either one will do. So far, so good. Got it? Good. Back to, let's have another pen. Now, with that in mind, can you see, and bear in mind, do you remember that question with all of the hexagons? No, they were pentagons, weren't they? Pentagons have got 5. Can you see it's a little triangle? And there's a triangle, there's a triangle, and there's a triangle. And the bottom of each one of these is B, because they are all the same triangle. So how we're going to do this is we're going to go for this one here, just this triangle, it is half times A, that's the perpendicular height there, that's that one here, times B. Now we don't as a mathematician, because if we were doing this question, we can now class ourselves as mathematicians. Don't tell a real mathematician I said that. They would be terribly embarrassed to think I count myself amongst them. But shh, we're pretending. So it's half AB. But that, they wanted the area of the pentagon, didn't they? Not that triangle. So how many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these triangles. So what is half times 5? That's how. 2 make 1, another 2 halves make another one, and then we've got a stray half left over. So our answer is 2.5 times A times B. Whew. Now, fingers crossed it's here. Here it is. Fun, wasn't it? Oh, go on. You got to do it, so you might as well enjoy it anyway.